Be on your way to making thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing with these essential tips. More than just a great product or popular company will be needed in order to maintain a successful career in affiliate marketing. It requires innovation, dedication, and a willingness to learn as time advances. Newer and stronger methods will always present themselves, and it is the job of the marketer to keep up and utilize these where possible. Be honest about who is in your affiliate program. If the reader suspects something amiss, they may just bypass you and go directly to that vendor's site. Doing this means that you will not get paid for a sale. You need to prevent that. Build a loyal fan base through trust and honesty. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. When you design your site for your affiliate advertising venture, it is vitally important that you understand that you will not get paid unless your visitors click on the links that you post on your page. Many times, informational pages will not get you very many clicks, as most people visiting your site are not looking for a product. As stated in the beginning of the video, falling behind the technological curve will only manage to hurt your business. However, always test any new ideas or methods before actually putting the life of your company on their shoulders. Check the results of anyone else you know has made use of the method and decide if it could apply to what you are marketing as well. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.